Hello, this is Chris from Polytech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add a flip box to our site using the essential add-ons for Elementor plugin and the Elementor page builder. First, we need to go over to the left bar where it says Appearance, plugin. We are going to click on Add New. And then on the top right on the search bar we are going to type Elementor add-ons, and this is the one we are going to use, the essential add-ons for Elementor. This will add a variety of widgets which are incredibly awesome. Among them is the flip car we are going to use. Now we are going to click on Install Now, and then we are going to click on Activate. Now we need to choose the page where we want to add our flip box. In this case we are going to use the home page, and then we are going to click on Edit with Elementor. Now we are going to scroll down until we found an open section like this one, and then we are going to type on the widget search bar flip box, and now we are going to hold the left mouse button, and then we are going to release on the new section, and here it is, our flip box. As you can see, front title, this is the front side of the content, and the back title, this is the back side of the title. So we have the flip box setting, so we can select the type flip. It has like this, and that's good. This one, and zoom in and zoom out. Ooh, that's good. So I really like the flip top, and then we can select an image or an icon, or maybe nothing at all. So we are going to choose a different icon among the font awesome libraries. So we are going to choose maybe the temperature, and we are going to insert it like this. And now we are going to modify the flip box content, so we can change the title to title 1, for example, and we can add some content to it, content 1. We can align the text if we want, so we are going to leave it on the center, and for the link we can add the type of link we want to, directly on the box, on the title, or a button if we want. We can select an icon for the button, and we are going to choose this arrow right here, get started. So we can choose the title like this, or directly by clicking on the box. We are going to leave it on the box. So we need to change the back of the card mostly in the same manner. We can choose a new icon, maybe this, let's see, maybe some power icon like this. And on the content we are going to add back title and back. Oh, we need to change the position first. So we need to click on back and the back title and the content of the back. So we're going to choose content 2 and title 2 for the back. Doing it mostly on the same manner as the front side. And we can add the link, the link for when it's flip. So we can change the color of the front background, maybe to unclean, and of the background, which is quite redundant, to civilian. We can add some padding to it, some borders. If we want the radius of the border, it could be like this, like a glasses case. So we're going to leave it a car. And the icon style, we can add some border and with a radius if we want to. Maybe 1 px and a white. When I was buying, we need to add it here. So we can choose the radius like this. Maybe make it a little bit thicker and a little bit of padding like that. There we go. Maybe some more padding. Then, and for the color and typography, if we want to, like this, we are going to leave it white in this example. And for the font, we can change the family, the size, the weight, transform the text, add a different style, could be italic, normal, oblique, and the decoration and the line height and the line spacing. And for the back, mostly the same as the front. You can change the color of the icon and the title and such. So once we have made all the changes we want to our flipbox, we need to save those changes by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. And that's it. We have created a super cool flipbox in a quick and easy manner using the essential add-ons for Elementor plugin and the Elementor page builder. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.